Good morning. We are starting off a weekend vlog today. I'm actually starting later in the morning than I typically would and planned on doing. I actually fully intended on getting some clips last night. I fully intended on getting clips this morning. It's been a wild night and morning. Let's do a little recap. So, last night I got home from both jobs. Savannah has been sick the last couple of days. She's been vomiting very regularly, and this poor dog is exhausted. So the last couple of days I've just been cleaning up after her, and so I did that, and then I came up here and I edited because I had not started editing Monday's video yet. So by the time you see this video, it'll be the previous Monday's video. So I needed to sit down and edit. I edited until about 10, a little after 10 last night, and got all of the, most of the editing done. I needed to do, throw in some clips and, some little pieces here and there. It's currently exporting to my desktop right now. So I'm going to head over to my friend's shortly. I'm actually going to pack up and go over now. First thing this morning, I woke up. We did our normal little routine. I gave her some boiled chicken breast, and went to take a shower. She got sick while I was in the shower. So that I cleaned up after. It's just been a morning. Today, well, this weekend in general, I have a ton of stuff to do. I'm going to do a lot of cleaning, a lot of housework, a lot of yard work. So I wanted to do kind of a clean with me, reset with me, organize with me, plan with me, yard work with me kind of weekend. And I have a ton of errands to run today. However, I'm not going to film while I'm running those errands. I will show you kind of the aftermath because I'm going to have my nephew, and I will not be filming with him. I'm going to head to Kohl's. I'm going to head to Walmart. I'm going to head possibly to Aldi and or TJ Maxx. I think I'm going to talk myself out of the TJ Maxx one just because I don't need the dress that I want to wear. But it's super cute, so I'm really torn. All right, I'm sure you can hear the mowing in the background. That's what I'm gonna go outside and do. Just got home from a full morning of shopping, getting Monday's video uploaded. I'm gonna work on the rest of it tonight. I'm just gonna go outside for a few hours with Savannah and get some of the trim work done. Sunday now. Today, it's not your typical Sunday. Today is actually a very busy day. I have quite a lot of things that I'm going to be doing. Because I'm taking Tuesday and Wednesday off, I'm kind of treating those as my weekend, and this is just the continuation of my week. Just did a daily to-do list. So today's to-do list is, in a little bit, I'm going to be heading out, grabbing my stepdad's truck. I'm going to come back here, do bottles and cans, take his truck to get cleaned, because I still need to do that, and then I'm gonna go back, pick up my mom's car, because that's the car I'm gonna take. So if he has to go anywhere, he can fit in my mom's car. He's not gonna be able to in mine. And then to go take my mom's car, clean her car, go to Walmart, and then after that I'm gonna come back home, and I'm just gonna be here doing stuff, probably eat lunch by that point, and then I'm gonna do budget. I need to pack for my trip, which is gonna be in a separate vlog that you're gonna see in my a couple weeks from now. I am going to get all my birthday stuff together, which is also another vlog that I'm going to be doing, so that's for that. Planning out the food for the party, start my playlist for the party. I need to clean the bedroom, I need to do my reset of spaces, and I need to clean the back room. That has been one of the biggest things that I've wanted to do for a few weeks now. I'm gonna do some of my banking right now so I can kind of have like a head start on some of like the business stuff.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to.
Been a while since I talked to you guys, but car cleaning is done. I've been done with that. Took like an hour break because I'm exhausted and like the heat's getting to me and I'm just overheated. But good news is I did do the carpets, as you saw a little clip. It's not great. It's not my best work. It was just fast, like mainly like spots where she's been getting sick and the carpet needed the most like TLC. Now what I'm gonna do is I did a reel a long time ago, short, whatever, a long time ago, of me switching out my winter and summer shoes, and that's what I'm gonna do again. So all of my summer shoes are in there. I'm gonna switch them out. Not all of them, a lot of them are still in there. I'm gonna make room, so I'm gonna bring those downstairs and I'm gonna bring my winter stuff upstairs, just make more room. I'm also gonna go through any shoes that I don't wear, and then I'm also gonna bring this like carpet cleaning stuff down. I thought I'd show you a couple other things and then I'll show you the other stuff that I got too, but I got some new Impress lashes. I had others and I have these too. I'm gonna bring these as well, which this is like packing wise, which you'll see in the vlog for the trip. But this, I have these just in case if these don't work out, I'll bring these with me. Needed chapstick because I don't have like SPF chapstick and my lips were burning today. I'm gonna go outside and put out the remaining solar lights that I have, and then I also need to take the tags off of a couple of things for the party, which I'll do. That'll be in the birthday vlog as well.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit.
I'm currently in my old playhouse, which is now my grandmother's she shed, and I'm super hot. I've gotten so much sun today. I am done outside. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm actually gonna change and like wipe it down myself really quick. Actually, that's a lie. I forgot I need to change over some stuff from my mom's car to my car. Hello, I am currently winding down for the night. I still have one thing I really need to do, but right now I'm just going through my emails just so I can get them cleared out of like a good space. I'm doing a little bit money budgeting. Pretty much it for this video. Like, I did a few of the yard things like I was showing, and then I just got changed. I look a mess, but I'm so tired. This video is really short, and I'm sure probably a little boring in some ways because it was just a lot of seeing me do things. It's kind of like get as many things done with me as I possibly can. And again, a few things that I am going to be doing are going to be in other videos, so I just don't want there to be like a complete like overlap or anything, or something that you've already seen before. What I'm going to work on is another video. I'm going to import this footage into my editor. I'm very tired. I feel really good though. I got a lot done. I did do my financial planning. My YouTube video for Monday was done. I cleaned the car. I cleaned my stepdad's truck, Walmart trip, bottles and cans. I budgeted, cleaned the bedroom, worked on rotating my shoes out, and yeah. So, and like I said, I'm just really tired. I got a lot of sun this weekend. Sun always makes you tired. So now I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go through my emails, clear this out. I'm going to also look at my other email for my reservation and just make sure that the reservation is still good. I got an email a few days ago and it confirmed that it was, but just want to make sure. I hope you guys were able to get a lot of motivation from this video. Again, it was kind of all over the place, but that's okay. Sometimes my days are like that. Sometimes my weekends are just crazy and there's things that I can't show you, or there's people around I can't and I won't show. I hope you subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and check out my other videos that I've been posting, my shorts I've been posting, and also check out future videos. So turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a brand new video on Mondays at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a wonderful life. I will talk to you very soon, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.